If your current diet leaves you completely starving by 2 in the afternoon, it is ultimately going to fail. Depriving yourself of food until you are physically exhausted is a recipe for a binge, not a path to long-term health. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to fix that. We're going to build a personalized, day-long meal plan utilizing high-satiety foods that keep you full while keeping your calorie intake low. Right now, I want you to grab a pen and paper, or open up a notes app on your phone. You are going to build your actual grocery list in real time as we go through this. Having a physical, structured plan written down is the critical step. It eliminates the decision fatigue that hits you at the grocery store and stops you from defaulting to convenience foods. Step 1 is selecting your morning fruits. Choose 1 or 2 high-fiber, low-calorie options to anchor your breakfast or morning snack. Let's start with berries: strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. At just 30 to 45 calories per 100 grams, you can eat a large portion. They also deliver a high concentration of antioxidants that support skin regeneration and brain health. If berries aren't for you, write down kiwi or papaya. A single kiwi delivers a dense dose of vitamins C and E for about 45 calories. Papaya sits at 43 calories and contains papain, an enzyme which helps smooth out digestion. Then we have fruits like guava, which act as natural hunger blockers. With 9 grams of fiber per 100 grams, guava digests slowly and physically occupies space in your stomach for longer. You can round out your list with pears, which are rich in soluble fiber, or watermelon, which is over 90. Step 2 is selecting the primary protein source for your lunch and dinner. Look at this meal plan builder. Lock in proteins to suppress appetite and maintain muscle. Add morning boiled eggs for lasting satisfaction. Skinless chicken breast provides lean, muscle-growing lunch protein. For dinner, salmon or cod deliver omega-3s, which boost immunity and lower inflammation. By anchoring every major meal with a quality protein, you stabilize your hunger hormones. This ensures your body focuses on burning stored fat for energy rather than breaking down its own muscle tissue. Step 3 is rounding out those lunch and dinner plates by pairing your proteins with complex carbohydrates and leafy greens. For your carbohydrates, list items like oatmeal, brown rice, or soy options like tofu and tempeh. Their value lies in the fact that they are digested slowly by the body. This chart shows the difference. Standard, simple carbohydrates cause your blood sugar to spike and rapidly crash. Complex carbs deliver a stable release of energy that prevents those sudden drops. Next, add leafy greens like spinach, broccoli, or cocoon. These vegetables add physical volume to your meal plate for almost zero caloric penalty. Spinach, in particular, offers an additional health benefit by helping to lower your blood pressure. Combining these slow-digesting carbohydrates with fiber-rich greens ensures that energy enters your bloodstream at a steady pace. This level of blood sugar stability reduces the frequency of mid-afternoon energy crashes that often lead to poor food choices. Even with perfect meals, cravings can still happen. Step 4 is strategically planning snacks to satisfy those moments without breaking your calorie limits. Write down plain yogurt. It is excellent for your gut health, but you must avoid the flavored varieties, which are often packed with sugar and hidden calories. If you want something sweet, choose dark chocolate. A few squares will satisfy your craving and provide antioxidants without derailing your progress. Finally, replace sugary drinks with green tea. Research indicates that green tea can assist the body's natural fat-burning processes. Pre-planning these specific snacks is a defensive strategy. It satisfies your psychological cravings with useful nutrients before a spontaneous binge can occur. This is your completed meal plan blueprint. Look at the volume and variety you are allowed to eat in a single day. Oatmeal, berries, and an egg for breakfast. Brown rice, chicken, and spinach for lunch. Salmon and broccoli for dinner, with yogurt and green tea to snack on. Look at the list you just wrote down. You now possess a concrete, delicious, and highly nutritious daily plan. Take that written list to the grocery store today. Buy these specific ingredients and begin prepping these meals for tomorrow. Sustainable weight loss is not about starvation. It is about eating strategically. By following this written blueprint, you have turned diet science into a manageable daily habit.